No jackets were needed in Lower Manhattan today here as people were soaking in the unofficial end of summer in the city. Lou Johnson is here now with our full forecast. Hi, Lou.
Hi, Arthur. Okay, it's unofficial end of summer. The real end of summer is technically September 22nd, so we still have a little bit left, but really, you just gotta go with what you feel, how long that warm weather sticks around. The good news that we have for the next few days, no more rain. We've had a lot of spotty showers over the last week or so, but the next few days are dry. We have lots of sunshine, not just tomorrow, but really for the whole week ahead. It's also going to be less humid, so it's going to feel a little bit less like summer, but that's the good part that we don't miss when summer comes to an end, right? And then we have a nice temperature, so it cools down just a little bit, but still pretty warm. Right now, 78 degrees in New York. It's cooled down to 73 out on Long Island. We're looking at 70 up in the Hudson Valley. A little bit warmer in parts of New Jersey, 78 for Newark, and then 76 down the shore. Winds are coming from the south, so it's actually bringing us some warmer air, but nothing too strong, just some light, some breezy conditions out there, 9 miles an hour. We got up to 81 degrees today in New York and White Plains. Just a little bit cooler out on Long Island, but not much. Still saw a high of 79, and then warmer for New Jersey, 86 for Newark, and then 85 down the shore. That's exactly what we usually are this time of year. It was a much more mild day really across the country. I know some of these temperatures look pretty high, but earlier this week we saw temperatures in the 90s for the Midwest, also places like Denver, Kansas City. It was still a hot day down in Atlanta, 96, and then parts of Texas looking at the mid-90s as well. So we were pretty lucky with our temperatures today. We're also pretty lucky with our conditions because you can see the eastern half of the country and then Texas experiencing some more rain and thunderstorms. We just saw some rain early in the morning, but it wasn't too bad, nothing too strong, nothing too crazy. So the dew point temperatures are going to go down tomorrow. That's the measure of moisture in the air. That's what helps the conditions feel humid. So tomorrow, expect it to feel a lot better than it did over the weekend. We were seeing dew points in the 60s and 70s. Tomorrow, and then through the week, it's looking like 50s and even 40s for some of us. That's thanks to this area of high pressure that's moving on through, so it'll bring us some calmer weather. We'll see a lot more sunshine tomorrow too. We saw a lot of cloud coverage this weekend, but now it'll be more clear, and there's no rain in the forecast really until Friday evening going into Saturday. Lows tonight are in the mid to upper 60s, so it won't get much cooler, still be pretty fair outside. And then tomorrow, these temperature readings just gorgeous in the mid to upper 70s, so a very, very enjoyable day outside. And then it stays that way for really the rest of the week, looking at temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. Arthur?
The 70s. All right, thank you very much, Liv. Well, there's the race for the White House, and then there's the race for the top dog house. Up next, a rally in City Hall Park today for the ongoing New York City Dog Mayor race.